నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. గోరువెచ్చని నూనెతో మెడకు నెమ్మదిగా మర్దన చేసుకుంటే ఎంత హాయిగా ఉంటుందో కదూ. ఈ విధంగా మర్దన చేసుకోవడం వల్ల కేవలం మాడుకు రక్త ప్రసరణ సక్రమంగా జరగడమే కాకుండా జుట్టు ఎదుగుదల కూడా బాగుంటుంది. ఈ క్రమంలో మర్దన చేసుకోవడం వల్ల కలిగే ఇతర లాభాలు, తీసుకోవాల్సిన జాగ్రత్తల గురించి తెలుసుకోవడం కూడా తప్పనిసరి. లేదంటే జుట్టు ఎదగడం కాదు కదా, ఉన్న జుట్టు కూడా ఊడిపోతుంది. అందుకే ఆ విలువైన సమాచారం మీకోసం. మాడుకు మర్దన చేసేటప్పుడు ఉపయోగించే నూనె జుట్టుకు పోషణను అందించే జోజోబా లేదా బాదం వంటిదైతే మంచిది. దీనివల్ల కుదుళ్లకు రక్త ప్రసరణ సాఫీగా జరగడమే కాకుండా కురులకు పోషణ కూడా లభిస్తుంది. ఇలా తరచూ మర్దన చేయటం వల్ల జుట్టు ఎదుగుదల బాగుంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నవ్యాలో నయా ట్రెండ్స్ చూద్దాం.
This is Unique Fancy Sarees located in Jubilee Hills Western Mall, first floor. Now I am showing you most of the very casual wear sarees for home and office wear. Very lightweight, full heavy work in pure cotton. First kurti, this is in printed in pure cotton fabric. Full floor length. For office wear and casual wear, in this I am having all the sizes from small to triple XL. Very printed casual kurti for office wear and casual for home. In this I am having dupatta, very reasonable range, easy wash at home only. In this I am having more 2 to 3 pattern in printed, floor length, straight kurti, set, full I am having. One more kurti I am showing you in printed in cotton. This is full floor length printed kurti, and on the chest in between it is having work with the sleeves. Very easy wash, all the sizes I am having. In this new pattern of feather it is having in between. Pure printed kurti with in pure cotton fabric. Down it is having full flare and floor length. In this I am having full set of pant and dupatta. Contrast pant of white color in pure cotton. Down ankle it is having work of printed. Pure cotton printed dupatta with double shade. Very easy wash for home, mainly it is for office wear and home casual wear. Lightweight, very reasonable range, easy wash at home only, printed kurti. This is one more pattern in cotton fabric only in printed. Down it is having flare, short anarkali. This is also known as short anarkali, 10 inches sleeves. In between it is having work with V-neck shape. On the chest it is having work, pure printed cotton kurti. It is having 10 inches 3/4 hands. At the hands it is having work of lace. Both side hand it is having work, and the chest is heavy with V-neck shape. In this I am having dupatta and pant. Full cotton fabric, full set, very reasonable range, easy wash, especially for home casual wear and office wear. Bandhni dupatta with cotton fabric pant. Next design, it is of floor length with Lucknowi short jacket. It is having short jacket of Lucknowi, very reasonable, 3/4 hands till elbow, full Lucknowi chicken work, short jacket with long gown. The jacket is detachable, you can also wear only the gown for kurti. Pure Georgette fabric, easy wash, all sizes are available from small to triple XL. This is the back. Georgette long kurti with Lucknowi chicken jacket. All sizes are available. Front and back, both the sleeves are having the work. This kurti, it is in pure bandhni fabric in straight kurti. This is new pattern I am showing you. In between it is having mirror work, small mirror work with silver lace, and it is having full length sleeves. Rounded neck. In between it is having pattern and patch. Very lightweight kurti, especially for home wear, casual wear. And the sleeves both sided pure bandhni fabric. Next pattern, it is in full floor length, pure Rajasthani Marwadi style. Down it is having full flare, long gown. In between it is having full heavy work of Tamapati and Resham. Gota Tamapati and Resham. Full work at the middle it is having full flared kurti. Down it is having full flare long gown. This is in bandhni material with gota work, mainly for office uses. All sizes are available from small till triple XL. It is having work at the chest, full four-sided border work it is having in the middle of the kurti. Pure bandhani fabric, easy wash at home only.